Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Last week, we recapped all our old letters that we learned last term. This week, we are starting with a new letter and a new sound. I'm going to hold up the sound and I want you to have a try and see if you can guess what letter and what sound this is. You are right, well done. That is the letter C and it makes a K sound. Well done. Now we are going to sing our song together and then we will look at some objects that we can find beginning with the letter K. Are you ready? Remember to sing with me. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Well done, friends, for singing with me. I like that song. It's a fun one. Castanets starts with a K sound. K, K, K. Can you all say K? Good job. K for. Now let's look at some objects that begins with the letter C or the K sound. My first one that I have in my secret sound basket is, yes, that's right, cup. K, K, cup. Well done, friends. The next one I have in my basket is, let's have a look. It says moo. Good job. K, K, cow. Well done, friends. That's a cow. Good job. This one might be a bit tricky. I wonder who will guess this one. Yep, that's right. It's a container. And inside our container is something orange and yummy, and it also begins with a K sound. Let's have a look. It smells really good and healthy. What do you think? Carrot. Well done, friends. K, K for carrot, K, K for cow, and K, K for cup. Good job, friends. I have one more thing. You have probably already guessed. Yes, K, K for cat. Pete the cat. He definitely starts with a K sound. So we've learned about the letter C and it makes a K sound. In your scrapbooks, you will have a little worksheet that you can complete at home. You'll see it's got a few words on there that begins with a K sound, and then you can also trace the letters at the bottom. Well, I hope you're going to enjoy this little worksheet, and remember, have a look all around your house to see if you can find words beginning with a K sound. And I will see you again next week. Keep practicing your phonics and keep singing your jolly phonics songs. Bye, friends.